Namaste, Khusro Bitiya. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is while loop in PHP. So, in this session, we will cover while loop in PHP and do while. So, they execute a block of code repeatedly until the set condition gets satisfied. When to use while loop? While loops are used to execute a block of code until a certain condition becomes true. You can use while loop to read records returned from a database query. Types of while loop. These are two types of while loop, do while and while. Do while execute the block of code at least once before evaluating the condition, and in while checks the condition first. If it evaluates to true, the block of code is executed as long as the condition is true. If it evaluates to false, the execution of the while loop is terminated. Though here is while loop syntax. So first you have to open PHP and then give the while condition and then block of the code to be executed if it's true. Here is the while loop block code condition, and block of code is the code to be executed if the condition gets satisfied. How it works, let's understand through the flowchart. So if its condition is no, execute code outside while do block. If yes, execute while block code. Practical example of while loop. You have to print number 1 to 5. Then you have to write with the code PHP initialize I is equal to 0 while I is less than 5. So print echo is equal to I plus 1 and then gives the bracket tag and increment the value of I plus plus. Here is the result. Here is the output of this program. So PHP do while. The difference between the while loop and the do while loop is do while executed at least once before the condition is evaluated. Let's now look at the basic syntax of a do while. PHP do and block of the code to be executed and close the bracket. While condition, here do and while is the do while loop block code. Condition is to be evaluated by the while loop. Block of code is the code that is executed at least once by the do while loop. See how it works. Start execute while block code. If condition is true, then it go to the again execute while block code. Right? If no, execute code outside while block. So let us see with the practical example of do while how it works. So you have to code implements the above modified example of you have to print the set the counter initial value to 9 and then print the value I is less than 9. So you have to open the bracket PHP and then initialize the value I is equal to 9 and do echo I is and then whatever the value is and then bracket and give the break tag and while I is less than 9. So the above code output is only 9. Okay, why is it? Because why it is 9? Because it initialize the I value is equal to 9 and print the I is, so it prints the 9 and then while then it's check evaluate the value I is less than 9. So the above example of this code is only 9. Right, so this is all about of this session. Thank you class, I hope you like my session. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Please comment below. Thank you.